you shine me with a light? What is up, guys? Welcome back to 25 High. It's way too early in the morning. I got like half an hour of sleep last night or something. But we got a big boat here and we're going offshore-ish, I think. Maybe like 17, 18, 40 miles, something like that. But we're gonna try to, it's the last weekend of snapper season. I probably should buy my saltwater license. I literally just thought about that.
Yeah, you should probably do that.
I should probably buy my saltwater license, but it's last weekend of snapper. We're gonna try to catch some red snapper, try to catch whatever else bites. Hopefully it tastes good. And I brought me a deep sea fishing pole, so I'm gonna try to put this to use on a snapper or something.
That'll handle it, no problem.
And anyway, I don't know what else to say other than y'all stay tuned. I'm just gonna leave my camera, my big camera here, and I got my shark or whatever, and strap on the GoPro and hope for the best. So y'all stay tuned. What are we doing, Nolan?
We trying to fish. Get out my seat.
Love it. Driving the boat. How do we just not just wreck? Yeah, we're going like what, 72 miles out, something like that.
Turn the music down so you don't get copyright stuff.
How far are we going out? 75, 92?
We got a 50-gallon capacity, so we can run about 80 miles out, troll for about 30 miles, and then go another 100 miles out.
Yeah.
Because you know that's how fuel works.
Mm-hmm.
No, we're only going like 25, 30 miles offshore, depending on how bad the waves are.
I mean, we don't have to go that far.
We don't have to, but that's the first spot I want to hit.
All right. You ready? Adam's back there too. Y'all never seen Adam on the channel. He's small. All right, folks, we made it first spot. Nolan's gay. If you're wondering where we're at, we're here. Alright, folks, we're waiting on Nolan to find them, but I have rigged up my flathead rod to try to catch a red snapper on it. So we'll see what happens. If I catch a state record, I think I still might get the payout, possibly. Yeah, we're waiting on Nolan to find fish. I don't think there's any fish out here. I mean, this pond is way too big and there's no structure. I don't know where to flip.
There's nowhere to tie off to.
There's nowhere to tie off to. There's no laydowns.
I think I saw a cypress knee out to the right.
I think it might be a little too deep for the bluegills.
Nah, they thrive out here, man.
They catch them on top of them.
Really?
Yeah.
A little popping bug action?
Yeah.
Anyway, my GoPro did a SD card error earlier, so hopefully it'll straighten itself out. Is there fish yet? I think what we ought to do is wait for one of their rods to go down and then go over there.
Just right up the side.
Tie up to their boat. Is there fish there?
Yeah. There is a school of fish right here. Pretty good.
Oh, short.
That's not a shark.
Was it?
That's either a very, very large remora or a very, very small cobia.
That was a shark.
And, oh, yeah, it was a shark. His hook's gone.
Really?
Yep.
Damn.
Well, alright, drop. Please don't eat this jig, even though that's going to be really fun.
That would be fun. I need a freaking hook. Gosh, heckin' darn it. I tied a beautiful snell too. I'm not doing that again. Where's your hooks at in here? Do you have any wire leaders?
Actually, yeah, there's some in that side pouch.
Well, if I get bored, I'm catching a shark.
Nice mangrove. Holy shit.
Get him in.
Well, he's already in.
You got him? Alrighty, boys. I hope I'm still recording. Love it. I'm gonna come behind you real quick. Hold him up. Dude, that's a freaking stud, man.
Nice, man.
And it didn't get sharked either. There's like a 4-foot shark floating around.
Yeah. Alright, where are we putting this fish at? Right there?
Yeah.
Are y'all fishing like on the bottom or just off of it?
I'm 2 reels off. I'm on the bottom too. Ain't marking anything anymore.
I know with this rod, I shouldn't be concerned about feeling a bite.
It'll touch the water. You'll know.
It'll touch the water before I realize what's going on.
I'm just ready to see the thing just buried.
I wouldn't mind loading up on mangrove. You got another one?
Yeah. You want mullet? We might have to just put on some mullet so we can get some fish in this boat quick. Oh wait, this is a 2-speed.
He's hooked up again. Oh, I'm getting a bite, boys.
Oh, small gas.
Nice.
How big they gotta be?
I don't know.
Oh my God, I just pulled out of one's mouth.
Is it a gag?
Yeah, it's good.
How big they gotta be?
I don't know.
I'm getting a bite again, boys.
I don't think there's these.
Yeah, I don't think they are either.
But that one's smaller than the one he caught last week, and his wasn't legal.
I might have got my bait stolen. That's a beautiful fish, dude. Hold it up. Hold it up over here. That's awesome.
Oh, I just got slammed. Here's your phone. I'm getting slammed right now.
I'm not even sure I still have bait. Or I'm just putting a new bait on. Because I definitely got slammed a few times.
Yeah, I just got hit.
Come on, eat it, eat it. Double that thing over. Come on. Oh.
He's there, he's there.
He's there.
Oh yeah.
Big cat fever rod.
Adam's on too, we got a double up, boys. We got a double.
God, that's a strong fish, dude.
Get them up as fast as you can, because they're on short shore.
I've got the gap right here.
Well, I don't know if this is a legal fish.
Another group is nice.
God, big cat fever rod is getting it, dude.
That's a snapper. That's a snapper. That's a snapper. Get him in.
That's a legal snapper, boys. I think.
I got rulers in there. I have a plastic ruler underneath
Here.
your knee.
Big cat fever rod.
Give me some. Give me some. What I'm talking about.
That's my first red snapper in years.
Hey, there he is.
Here.
There's the ruler.
That'll be close. What sucks is this thing's gonna die anyway.
He's right there at it.
Yeah. $17.
17?
Six,
It's 17.
He's
16 and a half.
Keep him.
Well, I have to.
Yeah. Here.
I need somebody to take a picture of me with the big cat fever rod before I unhook it.
That's Adam's phone. I'll do it on.
Dang, Adam is just killed. Is he using a cigar or mullet?
I'll tell you.
I might switch up. We're gonna get his video. I'm gonna stop this clip.
There's plenty of mullet up in that bait cooler to catch you, so. That's a lane bait.
Lane snapper. That's the first one I've ever seen in person.
Oh, yes. That's what we're.
What's the size on them?
Smaller than that.
Yeah, way smaller.
Like
Oh,
10
so
inches?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
10 inches.
Hold him up here real quick. There you go, man. That's
He's a
awesome.
keeper.
It's been in here.
I was about to say that thing.
Oh, that one's definitely legal.
Oh yeah, he's illegal.
Alright, this hook is probably too small.
No. Wait, give me the rod. Yes, put a different hook on.
What'd you do with the tag I showed you earlier?
Okay. Another shark, boys.
You want to calm the fuck down. 17 and a half, that's the exact.
There you go. I'm about to have you beat if I can ever hook this fish.
Alright, y'all gotta catch up. I'm on the leaderboard.
You're on the leaderboard with like 10 different species of fish.
I keep getting rocked.
There's also that shark's bag. He's right there.
Oh, I got him.
Oh, Zach's on. Oh,
God.
I hope you're recording right now.
Oh yeah, I am.
Good.
It's not big.
Nope.
Is that a legal mingo?
That's a bingo.
Yeah,
That's legal, baby.
100%.
What's that, 4 species?
4 species. We got every species that's got every.
Just about, I think.
We don't have
Cabera. I was like, oh, he ain't big. I was just totally expecting a baby red.
Please God, if he is, he's gonna run back down.
Tiny bingo.
Hell yeah.
Is that another legal fish?
Yep.
I just love the fact I'm doing this on my literally the exact same rod I use for flatheads.
Yep. Love it.
You got one? Get him up here, boy.
Not big at all.
That's a pretty stiff rod.
That's your first fish, though.
First ever snapper.
There you go.
Yeah. His next one's gonna be 40, actually.
I just knew the back of my legs are gonna be orange. They're gonna be purple. Where is it? That made this deck a lot slipperier.
We have fish grips.
There he is. Sunshine. There he is, love it. That's a big snapper.
Do not miss. Nice.
Woo! It's a big snapper, dude.
Come on, baby.
That's what I'm talking about.
Nice.
What is? Oh, jellyfish.
Nice hook, bro.
Heck yeah, dude.
Still put reeds every time I go back here. I've got more than one snapper at a time. I knew that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
19, baby.
Yeah.
No, wait, no. 18 and a half.
Oh my God.
Back onto a stud. Love it. Get ready.
Somebody gaff.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, here, my bait's on the bottom.
Why am I fighting this thing like a bass? Like I'm flipping a bass. I might need to back my drag off a little bit.
Yeah.
Here, Adam, can you hold the rod real quick while I gaffer snake?
Oh my God. Dude,
Oh.
big catfish we're putting in that waist, son.
Catfish right out here.
Alright. It is on the bottom.
Big snapper, big red. Is that legal?
It's just way more of a fiber you're on than one on mine.
Nope.
Measure that fish. I will. Dude, he was barely hooked too. I'm definitely gonna need a picture with this one. What is that?
What kind of catfish is that?
Illegal?
He's 17-ish.
17 inch.
Nah, I'm about to find out for sure. I had him backwards. What is that? Oh yeah, he's 17.
Keep him.
Wait.
Hey, I'm limited, aren't I? I'm limited on a red snapper. I can't legally keep another red. Okay. I think my battery was just dead. I was changing the battery out and got a very large bite.
We're on.
Yay! Love it is doing stuff. Love it, get the gaff. He's got a vermilion on.
You got a Cubera, 40-inch Cubera. It's dog and love it, whatever it is.
Love it just weak.
Oh, that's a nice fit, nice red.
Sned Rapper, baby.
Bone flips only, that's what I'm talking about.
Boat flip only, dog.
Love it on?
Yep.
Dang, we all started sucking and Lovett's just...
Oh, Love it's got a good one. Zach, get that gaff.
Yeah.
Here, I'll
just put it in the
that
rod
works.
holder.
Oh, I'm about to be on.
We doubled up. And both of that one. Whew! No, that's a nice one. Why did I tell you to do that?
Yeah.
If it's I'll gaff it if it's an undersized grouper. That's something. How big is it? Should I gaff it? How many do we have now? Because we only keep, what, 2 per person?
Yeah, 2 per person. Love it said we're up to 6 with that one. Now we're up to 7 with that one.
What is that? The heat hook.
Barely, possibly legal.
Well, if that one's legal and we keep it on 7.
So only one more red and we'll be done?
Yep.
For red, well, for snapper at least.
You chill out, fool.
All right, boys, let's get a look at the box right now. Look at that. I don't know. Oh, the bait fish just fell out of the box. I don't know how well you can see it, but we have got her loaded up. We caught some stud mangroves. We caught some barely legal snapper, red snapper, mingos. So we got lane, red, mingos, mangroves. We caught a couple group or two. I don't know if any of those made it in the video, but they were all too small. Scamp or gag or something. They're feeding the pelicans. That's pretty cool. But what y'all boys think? What y'all boys think?
It's been a good day.
Flexing. But yeah, it's been a good day. We're gonna fry them up tonight. I may or may not film. I really don't know. If not, always remember to live off 25 high. And this has been an awesome day. Y'all stay tuned for the next one.